At some point or other, we all want money. It is a necessity of world life. We admit it. You should not be a slave to money, but must understand money's importance. Many people ask how to make money, how to get rich. So in this video, I will share with you 6 assets that can help you get rich, but first understand the definition of an asset because you must know it and people only make the biggest mistake about this. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, we are talking about 6 assets that can make you rich. So let's get into it. What is an asset and when a person is known as rich? People are not rich only because they have things or because they can buy things. True wealth is defined by the asset you own. You are truly rich when you have something called an asset. Something that works for you, makes money for you, something that appreciates your money. It is working for you even when you are sleeping because that is when you are not renting your time, you are not working on rent, just like a job you do and get paid every month, but you get a salary for the time you give in a month. If you give more time, you may earn more salary. But it's not possible that in the same month you can earn 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times salaries. No, it's dependent on your time, and that is called renting your time. So which are those 5 assets that can make you rich? 1. Owning your business. Your own business, if it is successful, will make you money when you are sleeping. Even if you stop working, then your team, your factory, your products, and your marketing will make money for you. If you look at the richest people in the world, and on that list, by far are the people who started their businesses. The richest people in the world, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg, all of them started their businesses. The richest people in India, Mukesh Ambani, Azim Premji, and Adani, all started their businesses. It doesn't mean that you will earn if you start a business. Business is a very risky proposition, which means that if it works, then it is amazing. But if it doesn't work, then you can lose a lot. So yes, it is a good asset, and making it work is your responsibility. 2. Owning business through stocks. Now, everyone cannot start their own business, but it is definite that owning a business creates an asset because the business runs 24/7. So it's making money even when you are not putting in your time. So if you can't start your own business, then you can at least own a business, and the best way to own a business is through stocks. When you buy a share or stocks of a company in the stock market, then basically you are becoming a part of that business. You say that I believe in this business, so when it grows, its stock price will also grow, and then I will become rich. My wealth will be created, but the most important thing that is a long-term investor. Only day trading or short-term trading or reacting on tips like buy this or sell this, that is not wealth, that is gambling. Wealth is created when you take long-term bets. 3. Buying commodities. If you can't start a business or you can't own a business, though you should, then you can own something which the world wants, and that is commodities. Gold, silver, mostly gold, silver. There are other commodities, but we won't go there. When you own these assets, they also increase in value and they make you wealthy, but the big mistake in this is when an individual mind understands gold investing, it instantly thinks of jewelry. No, jewelry is not the right investment. If you want to invest in gold and silver, then invest digitally by buying gold bonds or ETFs. A digital bond is the best way for you to invest in gold or silver or any commodities. 4. Real estate. If real estate is an investment purpose, then it could make sense. Buy a cheap house that you can afford, which you won't have to take a lot of loans for. Ideally, you should not take any loan to buy an apartment or small house, because that gives you the freedom of not having to pay interest whatever rental income it garners. So you will have something which is an asset which will make money for you even when you are not on duty, and that is a brilliant asset to have. 5. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are considered safe income-producing assets with a diversified portfolio. Many investors prefer index funds, but actively managed funds that pick individual stocks and bonds are also available. A mutual fund typically invests in publicly traded companies, whereas private equity funds invest in privately held businesses. The minimum investment amount for mutual funds is low and similar to ETFs. You can flexibly reallocate your assets. Still, most investors consider ETFs the better alternative to mutual funds. 6. Lending stuff. Lending your stuff is a very simple way to generate recurring cash flow. This basic strategy is used by some of the most profitable businesses. These income-generating assets can be physical, like self-storage facilities, food trucks, 3D printers with print-on-demand service. You can lend lands, farmlands, cars, vintage, nuptials, movie sets, limousines for parties and proms, high-end clothes and handbags, parking lots, bicycles, trailers, and industrial machines for contract manufacturing. You can also lend money for interest, and peer-to-peer lending is an advanced and secure method of doing so. So guys, that's all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.